Alright folks, top of the morning to you. We over here by Bayou Avenue. Mr. Tony, we're going to pick up some live shrimp. Heading down to Delacroix. So 5 o'clock, looks like they just opened. And over here by the Fisherman's Friend. I know some of you people have been posting y'all looking for live crabs. Fisherman's Friend over here in Chalmette has them. Last I talked to them, it was $18 a dozen. Got a strong west wind. Ain't the best wind, but we'll have to see what we can do. Wow! Hey, folks. Oh. No crabs. No crabs. Looking at the bait situation. Yep, empty tank. Empty tank. Empty tank. Just fly by you, bro. Oh, got a few shrimp. Mr. Tony's out now?
Oh, he's on what?
A few shrimp. Mr. Tony's out there now trying to catch more shrimp for the weekend. Come on over, folks. You can have all you need.
Wow! Wow! Yeah! Wow! What's up, guy?
Folks, we got an overcast day. There's no one out right now. That's Big Rudy up front getting the front done. This is Cade right here. Big Rudy's nephew. Going to Nicholls State. Getting ready to go to Nicholls State. Driving the Bay Flat Senior. That's Big Earl's camp. Hey, at Earl. Whoa, Earl. Earl's boat's going. Dang, must be getting to work on. I don't think he's fishing. Got a good wind here. It's blowing pretty hard. It's gonna be fun going across Little Lake, folks. Gotta see how they got all their crab traps up. A lot of the people brought it in because of that last storm we had. Alright folks, you can see from the watermarks on the rocks over there, they're walking down about 2.5, 3 feet. Down a pretty good ways. And there's Delacroix Island's public fishing pier, folks. Got bathrooms right over there. Nice place to come, spend your time. I'd suggest you bring a couple of chairs with you and the table will keep your stuff on. It's nice, it's really nice. Catch catfish, drum, sheephead, crabs. A lot of people crab off of it. I love this overcast day though. Hey folks, Cade's got the first fish of the day here. Wow! Cade's got the first fish of the day.
Alright guys, Caden done hooked into the first fish today, this morning. Let's see what he's got. Ah, little Kit Kat. Little Kit Kat. He's hooked into something else, guys. Caden done hooked into something else.
Get him, Cade.
Keep on reeling. There you go.
Keep reeling, Cade. That might not be a, that might be a red. Might be a red.
Got a little pull to that one. Bigger catfish. Yep, another kitty cat. Okay.
He's got something, folks. Can't stop this man. He's on fire. Big old cat. All right, folks, we got company this morning. We're in his territory. There's 2 of us swimming around here. I think there's 4 total. That's a biggie. Hey folks, we're in Bay Jack Navette trying to set up. Wind's blowing in our face. Got a west wind, 10 to 12 miles an hour. Water's coming in, fighting one another. birds keep coming around, but they don't stay long. They come check the spot out and they leave. But they'll be back. Right now we got nothing but catfish, but we're trying. Out here in Bay Jack, Nevada. There's a little crab right there, folks. That's about the third one I seen come by. Another little crab, folks. They're coming through pretty quick, no? Little bitty crab, folks. I mean, they're small, but they're coming through here. That's how the bait comes through here constantly. This ain't no fish. My boy back there is tearing them catfish up. If we could ever get out of them catfish, we'll be all right. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hard head, hard head. Okay, it's got something now, folks. It ain't no catfish. There it is, first red of the day. First red of the day. 9:22. Been out here since 6:45. First red of the day. Woo! Hey folks, that's the first red fish of the day right there. Big K caught him.
Hopefully turn them on.
All right, folks, we got a dump. Just starting to pick up. 9:25. Starting to pick up, folks.
Keep the pressure up.
They can go your way from the boat. They can go away from the boat.
Keep the pressure on.
You got the alligator. You either got the alligator. This might be your PB. Let him run if he wants to run. He starts running, let him run. Don't reel if he's running. All right, pump him up now. Go down. No. Just raise your rod up. Now reel your slack in. Okay, he's running. He's running. Let him run. Let him run.
That's a big boy there. That's a big boy there.
Ooh, yeah.
Right. Little activity finally, guys. We gotta wait them out.
Stop reeling. Pump him in now. Just pump him in. You ain't not gonna be able to reel him. Just there you go. Holy oh no! He's hooked up again, folks. Yep, little catty cat. All right, folks. All good things come to people who wait. We got a double here. Cade's got one. Make your hold your pole to your right. Hold your pole to your right. Make him go to your right. Don't give him no slack. A double, folks. Uncle's got one. Okay, look at ya, kid. Whoa, yeah. Nice red.
Keep him in the water.
Right, there's another redfish for Cade, folks. My boy in the back's got a dump. But they're just starting to bite. We got cage fish in. We're trying to get Rudy's big drum in now. You have to get in the back cage and get that net.
Maybe a while.
Folks, looky here. Looky here what we done found.
This is a big guy here.
Holy mackerel. Holy mackerel.
Damn!
There it is, folks. There's a crab right there. They're coming through here pretty steady now. Folks, Cade's got a croaker. The species have changed. I want y'all to notice that. The catfish stopped biting. So now we're starting to catch a different type species. We caught 2 redfish, a big old drum, and the croaker. And lost a big old drum. Alright, folks, Cade's got another one here. I think it's one of them big old drum. Da-dum-dum. If he wants to run, let him run. He's not running, just wheel your line, raise it up, and it'll slack out. The red?
I couldn't.
He's on top. Big old red, man. Big old red. Cade thought we didn't know what we were talking about, folks. Coming out here catching a little catfish, wasting his time. Woo, that's a red. That's a red. Oh, yeah. Oh, you pull up now. Don't let him get a straight line. You straight line, he'll pop. You go net him for him?
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, yeah. Yoga, yoga, yoga. Tight line on. Alright, there you go. Hey folks, I would venture to say that's Cade's biggest fish. But we're gonna find one bigger than that. See them folks? See that crab? They're coming through here quite a bit. That's a perfect size crab for sheephead, folks. You ever want to catch sheephead, find you some crabs like that. Oh, the sheephead swim 10 miles for that. They're a pretty crab. They've got the crab coming in, folks. Tide's still coming in. Got them out there swimming around. Whew, I'd love to have about 50 of those out by the bridge, by the trussels. I love fishing with little crabs. Yes, sir, folks. That is the best size crab right there for sheephead. Whoop, something scared him. Something scared him. There he goes. Whoop. Looks like he lost his feeding claws though. Our friend's back. Right there.
Big boy.
They got another one over here. It keeps coming up too. And I hooked one of them. I'm sorry. There's one there. There's one there. And there's one over that way. I know there's 4 of them hanging around here. Alright folks, Cade's hooked up again. My line's all tangled up. It's trying to get this fish in. It's going to be a big one, Cade. Get him in. We'll take a picture of you. I get the pliers out of there and hold them up. Oh, let him go that way. Reel him in, 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 reel him in. There you go. You got him. You got him. He's just going to run on you. Just let him run. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yes, sir. Oh, there it is. That's what you want, them drums. Dum, dum, dum. He's got another one, folks.
In here, Cade. Got this time. The drum or red?
Oh no.
That's red.
Red fish, red fish. Red fish. Looks like Miss Jones still here, folks. We stopped fishing about 11 o'clock. Came on in. We got 5 red fish, 3 drum, 2 croakers, 21 hardheads, and 11 gab tops, 1 crab. Had a good time. Enjoyed it. Cade's fish version today, he caught a whole bunch of catfish. He dominated. Big Rudy prepping for debarkation. There's a whole bunch of folks using the Delacroix fishing pier. Oh, he's reeling something in. Oh, you got him. You got him. He's reeling something in.